Hey, I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm going to show you how to pause your wireless fan. On your S1 main unit, the first button on the right serves two functions. It's both the power on and off button for the S1, and it's also the fan pause button. A short press will pause or resume the fan. If you long press that button for 4 seconds, it will switch the ProTemp S1 on or off. This button is especially useful if you need to open the lid. Before opening the lid, pause the fan using the first button on the right to ensure no charcoal ash blows around as you open the grill. And don't forget to turn the fan back on after closing the lid. For more on ChefsTemp products or the ProTemp S1, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Remember, the ProTemp S1 helps you smarten your grill in a snap.